Layo-layo. 4 hours yan. Brahe papuntang London. Galing dito. By train. Yan lang naman siya doon. Pakita lang ng daddy niya kung ano yung itsura ng park. So anyway, nagpunta kami dito kasi we got the key mga kachika.
The green train.
The green train, the big train. The big one in Paignton.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning mga kachika.
Here you go.
Okay.
She's never early. She's always late.
Never late.
You should never late.
No, I mean never
Early.
She's not early. She's always late.
Ba't ang cellphone ko eh? Maano masyado?
Talk away. Talk away.
Hindi na ako nag-lift mga kachika kay pag morning sobrang busy yung lift dahil maraming gumagamit ng lift ba galing sa pag-breakfast galing sa restaurant.
Three hours later.
Malakas pala yung ulan mga hindi super lakas pero nakakabasa din mga kachika. Nag-aantay na ako dito sa aking sundo. Wala pa man yung aking sundo. You okay? What you been doing?
Going pop.
Big one.
Going pop-up?
Yeah.
Ah, that's
bit.
good.
I can look big droppings.
Big droppings.
Big droppings.
Alisa did big droppings. Goodness. Pinapakain ko siya ng ito mga kachika, soup. Binabantayan ko. Mister nagluluto ng egg. Alis din kami. Magbibihis lang ako. Sa Alisa hindi na yan magbibihis kasi pinihisan ko na yan kanina. Don't open that one yet. You have your lunch first. Kanina yan umaga. Sabay kay Alina. Alis din kami. May pupuntahan kami. Hinto lang kami saglit mga kachika sa may Tesco kasi kukuha lang siya ng gosh bilis ng oras. Ano lang ako pala today 2.5 hours lang ako sa work today. Start ako ng 9:30 tapos ako ng 12 kasi kaunti lang yung namin guest nasa lang 40 yata lahat. Yeah, nasa 40 lang. So Friday departure namin, so kakaunti lang yung rooms na kasi hanggang 1 o'clock lang kami Friday. Doon si Mayor sa may cash machine.
It's gone.
Is it gone?
No, where is it? There's no way.
Nabutan kami bumaba na yung yan. Kasi yeah, train, look at the train. Dali, look at the train. Oh, not much people in there.
There's more.
There's more? There's another one. There's another one. At saka gusto London dati no? Papunta yan ng London mga kachika. Layo-layo. 4 hours yan. Brahe papuntang London. Galing dito. By train. maulan talaga. Abon-ambon. Pero malamig at saka nakakabasa din pag magtagal. Oh.
No.
It's not.
Okay, you want to go, Elisa, or you stay in the car?
Ay, si Elisa. Gustong-gusto talaga ni Elisa na magpunta ng park na Umaambon. Talhin lang naman siya doon. Pakita lang ng daddy niya kung ano yung itsura ng park. So anyway, nagpunta kami dito kasi we got the key, mga kachika. Ayan, makakalipat na tayo finally. Ito na yung ano, key ng bahay na rerentahan namin. Nagpunta kami doon kasi nagbayad din kami ba ng ano ng yung rent nga at saka deposit. So nandoon na. Ay, thank you Lord, thank you Lord, thank you Lord. Ito nang yung key. So mag house tour na tayo, mga kachika. Susunduin lang namin si Alina and then pupunta kami doon kasi magti 3 o'clock na din. Gustong gusto kasi yun ni Alina na itingin daw siya ng house. Dapat pupunta yun siya ng ano ng, dapat sabi niya yung kagabi na mag ano siya na mag after school club. So, sabi ko sige. Tapos nagbago yung isip niya. Sabi ko sige, wag ka na lang din pumunta para magpunta tayo mamaya doon sa house kasi alam namin na kukunin na din namin yung key na nagbayad na kami ba. So ayun na. At tapos saglit lang din yun, and then yun nga, didiretso na kami magkuha kay Alina, and then pupunta na tayo doon sa bahay na aanuhan namin, yung rerentahan namin para mag-ano tayo, mag-ano lang muna tayo, empty house tour, kasi wala pa namang kalaman-laman doon. And then bukas pupunta kami doon, I think babalik din kami bukas doon sa bahay na yun, na yan, kasi imimit namin yung, ano, yung landlord, ganun para ipakita nila po niya, ano ba namin yung ituro namin sa amin ba kung paano i-operate yung gas, mga dapat mga gagamitin namin doon. So, ito na. Pinakahihintay ng lahat nandito na. Lord, ang tagal-tagal din namin itong inaantay. Alam ko marami na din nag-aabang sa inyo na makalipad kami. So finally, ay sus, lumakas talaga ang ulan. Hindi yun magtatagal. Kaya lumakas yung ulan, mga kachika. Bago kong kalimutan, meron pala ito binigay sa amin, parang gift gano ba, gift something, pa-welcome. Ganun. Tingnan natin kung anong laman. Yan nga, may bag, tapos ito mga ganito ba, ayan, ito yung binigay. Ganyan lang pala ipagbukas. Tingnan natin. Open na lang natin habang nandito tayo. Oh, ganun. Ganyan. Uy! Tapos, ano pa bang laman? Uy! Ito, nagkalat na tuloy. Merong almond milk, low in fat. Ganyan na lang natin. Ayan. Mayroong ganito. Oh! Alcohol free pala. Ayan. Tapos, ito. May pang ganyan. May dishwashing liquid. Wala man tong ganito doon sa, yan sa nilipatan namin, mga kachika. Walang ganito. No, plasterboard, picture hangers. Ayan. Tapos ano pa to, chai latte, and then yun almond milk nga. So yun, ito yung laman ng kanilang pag gift box na pala tawag. So ayan na siya, ganun yung laman. Laka, sana kayong dalawa na sobrang lakas ng ulan. Mga bago sa akin yung mga ganito kasi dyan nga sa nilipatan namin ng bahay, wala naman pa ganito. Kaso private landlord kasi yan siya noong time na umano kami, lumipat kami dyan ba. Kilala lang ni Mr. yung may-ari. Kaya wala talagang ganito mga process kaya ang ginagawa namin ngayon. Walang ganon. Ano namin, nandito na nga. Nagpunta lang pala ng beach. Yeah, I heard it. Okay.
Mama, can you wipe my face?
What?
Can you wipe my face?
Okay, sit down first and then I'm gonna wipe it.
Can we wipe my face and get it wet?
Give me the belt, please.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. Have you rain now? You just go to the beach?
Oh, you see?
What's your finger?
Okay, wait, so go on up here. Look in here. Look, Daddy, what that?
Got that out of her system. Huh?
Yeah.
Wait, stop.
As soon as she got that slide. Oh, okay. Let's go back now.
My God, you're soaking wet.
Yeah.
Heavy, no?
Yeah.
Dito na kami dumaan kay medyo ma-traffic na. Ganitong oras. Makamaliit patuloy kami. Hindi mo nag-out?
No,
No? Dito na kami mga kachika kasi medyo maaga-aga pa man. Uy, meron pa mga
a customer.
yun ang biya po customer.
Yeah.
12 to 15 minutes pa bago maglabasan sila. Alina kay galab time pa. Dito lang muna magtampay kay malamig sa labas.
Go and get that form then on the way. Huh? Give me my water, please.
Punta din ako ng post office kasi may ganagit. What you call that? Change of address form sa post office.
Bowser. Trimester, we popcorn.
What are you doing now?
You got the keys, right?
Trimester, we sandwich.
Gonna have a look the garage as well. Gonna
Yeah.
open.
You will like it.
Get rid of all these things.
No, keep it.
No, I don't want that. Other people's jingly jangly stuff. No, no.
Yeah, because it's good when you lost it. Then
No,
you see it.
no, I put it in my. No, you got your own thing. You don't need this. I'm gonna get a spare key, right? So we just put that on there. Now, huh?
Okay.
No?
Okay.
Yeah, do it now then. 'Cause you got too much. You don't want to carry all these keys around. Put this key.
Where the garage key?
No. Put your key. This key on your ring now. What are you trying to impress? Huh?
I like it as well. I
What?
like it. Jingly jangly.
Well, what's the point? Alright, put that. Or maybe I'll put it on mine garage.
Yeah, I don't need that one garage.
Huh? What?
I didn't
I'll
need.
put it on here. I'll put it on this one.
Nahanap ko yung phone ko kaya titingnan ko sana kung ano ng oras. Nandyan pala, ginagamit ko pala. Alisa, what you doing in Nothing.
That's the garage key. This, I don't know, throw it away if you want. Keep it somewhere. I don't know. Huh? Alright, you give it back to me when they move.
Yeah, very tiny.
Mama!
Okay, I take the grandma.
I see the grandma.
Where's there today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I didn't see her.
I didn't see her.
Because she's right there.
Babe.
I saw his coat like that. Maybe he wants it back.
Sick, yeah. Yeah.
And you know something strange? Look. Look at a big mouth over there. Dog.
The one in Pengton.
Yeah, that
You see the trains, ano? Big trains, ano? Very big one.
Yeah, that's nothing straight.
Beep, 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 like that. And then we went up, we walk up to the, what you call it, Daddy? Overpass?
Yeah.
We woke up. Sano? And Alisa said, oh, wait for the train. It's coming back.
like the town train one, the green train.
The green train, the big train. The big one in Pengton. In the train station.
Oh, that one, yeah, no. Are you gonna go to that train or not?
No.
You just saw it. Oh, I know that train. No, I know that train. One that like that. The one that closed.
47. Pagasolina muna kami. Ito candy na. Belt.
Okay, I'll turn.
Good girl. That's it. Messy. Please, so pretty man ka na. So pretty man ka sa.
I know.
You know?
Oh. She said I know.
Where are we gonna go to town?
We can go weekend.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Hello.
Time.
What's your name?
Chicky.
Alisa, doon. Nagantay kami Mr. mga katsika kay nandoon bili ng salmon fries at saka
You
pizza.
didn't say that. Salmon.
Salmon. What you got, Lisa? How many you got? Naghanap yan siya ng mga tinatawag niyang dice. Ang dami na ng ganyan, yung iba niyan pinagtatapon na. Pero wala, kalingawan lang ba nila? Hanap-hanap. Takbo-takbo. Saglit lang yun doon kay wala, hindi naman gaanong busy yung food hall pag mga ganitong mga araw. Yay! Ayan, araw na ng mga puso kayo. Marami ng mga pula-pula na mga damit.
Why are people talking? Otot. Otot.
Husutot.
Line. Earlier, I was
Big. I heard it in the morning. Very big utot.
Wait, in the morning? When I'm sleeping?
No, when you wake up and having breakfast. Careful, ha? Yung mga bata tapos na kumain mga kachika, magawa ako ng chicken na may coconut milk. Niluluto ko na yung chicken, nilagyan ko na ng coconut milk. Pakuluan ba? Ganun. Lagyan ko nito, sibuyas. Ito, tsaka ito. Ito. Tapos ito. Luya. So yun na nga, nagpunta na kami doon sa bahay na nalilipatan namin. And then, yeah, abangan nyo na lang doon sa next namin na video. Susunod na video. Siniparate ko na lang yung ating video doon sa house tour. Ganun. Tuwang-tuwa yung mga bata na punta kami doon kanina. Excited.
Show very Ofsted report. Good, it said. What's welcome? Good. What other schools are there then?
You have a look at it. I forgot the name.
Mm-hmm.
But the US one.